Have you ever wondered what would happen if we punched an asteroid? No, this isn't a setup for a joke. It's a real scientific experiment that took place recently. Welcome to the story of the asteroid Smackdown. What sounds like a wrestling match for celestial bodies is actually an ambitious project by NASA. The mission, officially known as the Double Asteroid Redirection Test, or DART for short, aimed to test our ability to defend Earth against potential asteroid threats. Imagine a football stadium. Now imagine an asteroid the size of that stadium hurtling towards Earth at incredible speeds. Scary, isn't it? That's where DART comes in. The mission sent a spacecraft on a collision course with a small asteroid to change its course. The spacecraft, about the size of a small car, was launched into space with one goal: to hit the asteroid and change its trajectory. This asteroid, named Didymos B, is about 160 meters in diameter and orbits a larger asteroid, Didymos A. The impact was not designed to obliterate the asteroid, but to nudge it just enough to change its course. Think of it as a game of cosmic billiards, where the spacecraft is the cue ball and the asteroid is the object ball. The DART mission was a global effort with teams from around the world contributing to its success. It was a test of our technological capabilities, our scientific knowledge, and our ability to work together to protect our planet. The results of this mission are still being analyzed, but early indications suggest that it was a success. The impact changed the asteroid's speed by a fraction of a percent, which over the course of millions of kilometers is enough to make a significant difference in its trajectory. The asteroid Smackdown is not just about defending Earth, it's also about understanding the nature of asteroids and how they behave. This information could be crucial in future space exploration, and even in the potential mining of asteroids for resources. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember the asteroid Smackdown. Remember the tiny spacecraft that took on a massive asteroid. And remember that even in the vastness of space, we are not helpless. We have the knowledge, the technology, and the will to protect our planet. If you found this dive into the asteroid Smackdown intriguing, don't miss out on more such fascinating stories from the world of science and space. Do subscribe to stay updated with our latest releases. Together, we'll continue to explore the mysteries of the universe. Until next time, keep looking up.